how are you all? Yes, I hope all of you are fine and doing well at your home. So today I am going to teach you how to use the Tuxpaint. So what do you mean by Tuxpaint? Tuxpaint is a software that you use to draw the pictures, edit the pictures and rest like MS Paint. Okay, so today I am going to first tell you how to install it in your PC or in your laptop, then after how to use it. So let's begin. So first, to download the Tuxpaint, you have to open the Google Chrome from your desktop or from your PC. So there you have to type in the search box Tuxpaint. Okay, then after click on it, the search items will going to show you. From above it, you have to click on Tuxpaint. Okay. So in the left side you can see the green box, there is written download Tuxpaint, so you have to click on that. Then see the page is coming up. So Microsoft Windows, Windows 10, 8, 7, Vista 2000 and XP. Here is for Apple computer. So Mac OS operating system, so my laptop has Windows 10, so I am going to click it. Okay. Then after you have to click the first one, installer.exe, this one, because this is the software extension, so you have to click on it. See, your download will start very shortly. So the time is going on, it is going to start. Okay, look, the download is completed. Then after I have to click on it. So in this message box you have to click yes, English okay, I accept the agreement, then next, for all users, next, if you want for all user then all user, otherwise for the single user. Then C program it will be going to install, sorry, in C drive. Then next, Tuxpaint, next, create a desktop, yes, next, install. So it is very easy to download from the Google. There is no other website you have to visit. You can directly download from the Google it. Okay, finish. So you can see my desktop screen. There is a icon Tuxpaint. It is visible to you, Tuxpaint. So now I am going to use it for you. So it will take time to start. See, the Tuxpaint started. I am going to maximize. So this is in this size it is a default. You can maximize it because it is not working. You can see the close button is accessible and the minimize button is also accessible, but the maximize button is not going to use. That means it is default, the size is default. So I am going to teach you what are the parts. So you can see there is written tools. The tools are the toolbar. Here you can see all the tools to use, and that is going to help you to draw the pictures. Drawing canvas, this is the drawing canvas, the place where you are going to draw. Okay, now comes to color bars. You can see in the bottom of the Tuxpaint there are so many colors are present. In the color bars it contains palette of colors from where we can choose the color. Okay, now comes to selector. So the selector, you can see which one you want to select. There are so many options are present. According to your requirement you can use it. Then comes to help area. All of you know in every software there is a help area. Okay, so in help area you can get the help, so whatever you are going to require. So now I am going to create a new drawing for you. So to create a new drawing, just see the steps. First, the new tool is used to be choose to ready-made the save pictures blank page for the drawing canvas. So I am going to use the ready-made saves for you. So click on the down arrow, then after choose the ready-made picture or the blank page. So there are the ready-made pictures. Okay, new, then the down arrow. You can see the pictures are present. Okay, I am going to select the fish. Then you can see the open option. Open. Look, the fish come. Like just like the MS Paint, when you are using the paint, normal paint in your desktop, so these options are ready-made shapes are also present in there, like this here also present. So after opening this one, you can also quit. If you don't like to use this picture, you can quit and you can add a new one. Okay, after that we can color it and we can save it according to our requirement. So I hope all of you understood. So when you click on the quit option, there is the message showing to you, do you really want to quit? Yes, if you done, then just click on yes, I am done. If it will take time, then you can click on it, no, take me back. When you click on it, it will going to resume again. So when you click on yes, I am done, then the app is going to close. Okay, so I hope all of you understood what I taught today. If you have any query or any doubt, then you can comment in this video, otherwise you can contact me. So stay at your home and stay healthy. Thank you.